Assalamu alaikum everyone, and the Solana is moving extraordinarily so well, and let's talk about what's going to happen next. So in the last video I spoke about that, if Solana tries to break $60 right over here, so we broke above $60, and that's where I potentially said that you may be looking for an $88 per Solana right now. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to show you a pattern here that tells me where we're probably headed. So you did go up like this, came down, made a flag, so you break above the flag, and the flag actually takes you to a $75, but that's still not the end of it, because $88 is a whole technical target for the daily pattern here. So I'm gonna go back, switch into the daily time frame, and it's actually good to see how Solana has been moving to the upside so far. So you had all this pattern right now, broke above, coming up here. So if you take the pattern, the technical target of that pattern takes you to $88. So that's where we potentially could be looking for things to really go up to. Now on the 1-hour time frame as well, if you probably need a trade, then I think putting a stop loss here will be good, because you got another continuation pattern at the moment, and this continuation pattern on the 1-hour time frame is, if you start to come down like this and take it out, then you have your next level of support right down over here, nearly $59, right? So if you try to lose that pattern right there, which is going to be $63.8, so you lose 63.8, then you probably could go down to $58, and that's where you have support, and then you bounce off here and you continue to move to the upside. But as I told you before, Solana isn't even in the mood of retesting anything. It's just going to the targets without any retest, and it is something that I was expecting, and made a lengthy video some few weeks ago talking about how in history Solana doesn't even go for the retest. Okay, we might still see pushing up here, getting all bullish all of a sudden, and 2024 is around the corner as well. So if we have an amazing bull run for Solana, we could actually just zoom out and still expect something very similar to this. But I do believe Solana is one of those projects that can go back to the all-time high and even cross the all-time high, and maybe go to $700 to $800 in a bull run. And a lot of people have been asking me, what do you think? And back in the days, I was expecting it to happen here, that we go to 700, but maybe perhaps in this bull run we go up, we take this, and we continue to 700. Probably, and that's going to actually be 100x, considering that Solana really went down to $7 for a bear market. So that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. I love this.